What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another mixing video. Today I'm gonna show you how to sound like Twikipedia, and we know this one's been like in like hella high demand, so like we might as well do it now. So I did a cover to Line Sayer. I got the beat, and I just covered it and then use a preset so it could sound close to the actual song, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and play it right now.
He could come through every month. Lifesaver, real money waster. I'm a bad chaser, real paper. I don't do favors. I'm at my maker, real line sayer. I don't care. Run out of time, but I'm not gonna get back.
Okay. So yeah, we got this is 5 presets, I think. Recording, main, row, layer, and layer 2. I'm gonna play my vocals raw so you can see like the way that I like recorded it I guess, without the beat.
Lifesaver, real money waster. I'm a bad chaser, real paper.
Okay. This is the layers right here.
Lifesaver, money waster, bad chaser.
There's the other layers that I did for like closing the bar.
My lifesaver.
Ignore that part, that sounds embarrassing. But okay, I'm gonna play them all together.
Come through every month. Lifesaver, real money waster. I'm a bad chaser, real paper. I don't do favors. I'm at my maker, real line sayer. I don't care. Ran out of time, but I'm not gonna get back.
Yes. That's really it. Like, so each layer is just boosts the main, I guess. Like it just complements it. That's kind of what you want to do. Like, so it's like the normal singing pitch, and then like these accents.
Lifesaver.
And then this one's even more accent, but it just all fits in well. I'm gonna play them with the preset on, so you can tell the difference.
I'm through every month. Lifesaver, real money waster. I'm a bad chaser, real paper. I don't do favors. I'm at my maker, real line sayer. I don't care. Run out of.
Yeah, that's really it. There's not much more to it, but like you can use this preset for like really anything, like any like digicore hyperpop song, or just like this type of like music, and which there's like a lot of like beats and stuff you can find on YouTube or whatever, and like that Dolly, Ellens, Twikipedia, and like just people like those, and this is a good preset for that if you're starting in that genre. Yeah, this preset doesn't have OTT actually, so the only one you would need is auto-tune. It's all like detune and stuff, but like that's really the only preset, the only VST you're gonna need, since everything else is I made sure everything else is stock, so you don't have to worry about anything else. I'm gonna put both FL21 and 20 in the description for y'all, so y'all can just download whichever one y'all need. And yeah, if you need any questions, just let me know on Instagram at 7akkiro. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.